if you're experiencing sync issues on XCOT 2026. Follow these straightforward steps to troubleshoot and resolve the problem effectively. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Ensure that your internet connection is stable and functioning properly. A weak or intermittent connection can cause sync issues. Step 2. Update XCOT. Make sure that you are using the latest version of XCOT. Check for updates in your admin panel and install any available updates to ensure compatibility and bug fixes. Step 3. Review sync settings. Don't continue before doing this. A lot of online accounts end up exposed in breaches without people even realizing it. Use SRC to constantly monitor your email and accounts and get alerted immediately if your information gets leaked online. It scans billions of breached records 24/7 in the background. And honestly, for a few dollars a month, it's something everybody should probably have. Link in the description. Step 4. Clear cache. Clear the cache in your XCOT system. Sometimes, outdated cache data can lead to sync problems. Navigate to the cache settings and perform a cache clear. Step 5. Check for conflicting modules. Examine any recently installed or updated modules that might interfere with the sync process. Disable them temporarily to see if the sync issues are resolved, then re-enable them one by one to identify the culprit. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve any sync issues on XCOT 2026. If problems persist, consider reaching out to XCOT support for further assistance.